Let me change this to 500. I want to take more trades. Okay, my entry. Okay, guys, and I want to talk about entry points right here. Cool. But before I do that, let me mark the break of structure so that you guys are not confused. You see that? So the price came down and sweep all the liquidity. Now, your entry points also, guys, are very important. You don't want to take any and any type of entry. All right. So based on candlestick psychology, I saw that there was a rejection here. Then what happened? The price gave me a continuation candlestick pattern, then a breakaway gap, which is really strong, the breakaway gap, but it's okay, right? So therefore, I add all of these confluences and I put them in one and I take the trade. So now my confidence and my accuracy is very high because I try my best to make sure that my trade has a high probability of winning, and this is the benefit of candlestick psychology combining it with liquidity. Okay, so this was a beautiful liquidity sweep. I'm going to keep on talking about liquidity and the next trade. Apply for mentorship to learn everything I'm doing on a deeper level. Without deep knowledge, it's difficult to be profitable. If your goal is to be profitable, link is in description to apply for mentorship. Okay, so this was a buyer's opportunity liquidity sweep right here. All right, so this was the opportunity for the buyers, and guess why that is? Because this was a seller's drop-based drop movement. So therefore, what we did was wait for the price to came back down, consume all the liquidity. So, okay, what I want to say right here is this, right? This is a lot of buyers activity, and then the price came back down to tap into the buyer's activity and gave me a proper candle, which indicates to me that okay, buyers want to continue in their direction. Okay, and yeah, let's see how this trade plays out, right? Because this one is looking a little bit uncertain, but let's see how the result is. At the end of the day, I try my best to have the best probabilities in my favor. Okay, all right, so this trade was a failing trade, no problem. I'm going to take another opportunity and try to recover my loss. Right, so I'm going heavy on this one. Yeah, let me go heavy so I can recover that loss right there. But yes, guys, you see how good the liquidity is though, because at the end of the day there's no 100%, right? But the liquidity is like in the 90% accuracy, like 95, 90 something around there. Okay, and this is the beauty of trading liquidity. It just gives you this confident feeling. Like when I'm trading liquidity, guys, it's like the best I feel. And the thing is, there's so much opportunity when you're using liquidity. Can remember the market is liquid, right? So there's a lot of liquidity, but you have to learn how to identify the strong liquidity from the weak one. The previous one I took, it wasn't really strong, but it was medium, so I wasn't expecting it to be perfect, right? But I was expecting to win anyway. I was expecting it to be perfect, top tier. Okay, yeah, so right here, guys, the price came to this liquidity area right here. As you see, I marked it. Notice drop, base drop. The price came right here and it rejected from the drop, base drop. Now that is how you identify the area of liquidity, and then you look for a opportunity. And right here you see I have a opportunity, I take it. Now I want to say something to you guys real quick. Which one of the strategies, even out of this one, is your favorite? Let me know. And what do you guys like when you're trading? How many trades do you take per session? In my opinion, I think 10 trades is the best, because you can be able to track your win rate properly. And when you can track your win rate, you know your strength and your weakness, because you know, like, okay, on an average I have a 80% to 90%, whatever. You have to can be able to track it to be able to enhance it. Okay, anyway, If you want to learn all my strategies on a deeper level, you can use the link in description to apply for mentorship. This will be the end of my video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.